This is where everyone in the semiconductor industry comes to learn and share semiconductor test innovations.
Advantest VOICE is the leading premier forum for the international growing community of users and strategic partners.
Celebrating Advantest's 70th anniversary and the 25th anniversary of the V93000 in 2024. From inspiring keynotes to technical breakout sessions and technology kiosk showcase, VOICE dove deep into AI and ML, high-performance digital, emerging test methodologies, micro-LED, and much more. Advantest must be and is uniquely positioned at the cutting edge of technology, which keeps us at the forefront of emerging technology trends. VOICE 2024 showcased the best of our industry. But the journey doesn't stop there. Discover more insights on the Advantest Talks Semi podcast. Amongst so many semiconductor topics we discussed Extreme Ultraviolet. We interviewed ChatGPT and debated the future of AI with Chris Miller. VOICE 2024 was a reminder of the power of collaboration and innovation. Let's keep the conversation going. Stay tuned for more from Advantest as we pioneer the next wave of technological advancements.